guys, it's Aliana, and if you're new, welcome, and please subscribe down below. If you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a product review and a demo. I just recently picked up a new deep conditioner, and I have honestly not deep conditioned my hair in a while. I've never had a consistent deep conditioning routine, so I decided to pick up one so I can start deep conditioning my hair more often and see the benefits. And I have been doing hot oil treatments, and I recently did a video on what I use, so I'll put it up here or whatever corner. I picked up this Marc Anthony True Professional Strictly Curls Curl Envy Deep Hydrating Mask, and it supposedly defrizzes and moisturizes the hair. I'm really excited to try out this product because I didn't even know Marc Anthony had curly hair products. I thought Marc Anthony just had hair products that were for people who had straight hair, but they have a whole line, the Strictly Curls line. So I'm gonna see if this deep conditioner is moisturizing for my hair, as it's blended with vitamin E, avocado oil, and shea butter, which is all very moisturizing for the hair. It's supposed to deeply moisturize to treat extra dry, damaged, and frizzy curls with moisture to create softer, smoother curls with shine, and it says to use weekly. There's probably not the best ingredients in here because I know brands like Shea Moisture, they use all organic stuff, but this does not say anything about that. I'm still gonna try this out to see how it is. Let's just get into this deep conditioner. So my hair is really dry right now because I've just been like letting my hair air dry for some reason while I was setting up to film this video. But my hair is, my dog is barking. But my hair actually feels so soft from the conditioner, and like the back of my hair is still wet, but I have a spray bottle so I can spray my hair so I can apply this deep conditioner. And I never used this before. It has a lemony scent. It's very strong. It smells like lemon heads. I think that's a candy. I don't know. I don't really like the smell of that. It smells like a fake lemony scent. To section my hair off, and my hair is already detangled. I detangled it in the shower, and so I have never used a Marc Anthony product, I don't think. So I'm really excited to see how this is going to go. And I already don't like one thing about it, it's the smell. But I'm not gonna let that draw me away. Let's look at the consistency. It's really thick. It feels moisturizing. It's not like super thick that it's not gonna like come out of the package, but it's really thick. I'm just going to take, I don't know how much I should take. I'm going to take this much and put it on this section of my hair. Oh wow, my hair is soaking it up. That's a good sign that my hair is soaking it up, because that means like all the moisture, my hair is sucking it up. They're all like the ingredients in here. Wow. My curls aren't like clumping together really, but it's like easy to detangle my hair even though it was already detangled. But my curls look so moisturized. Wow. When you're applying products, you want to do root to tip so you don't get any tangles. My ends are really bad. I'm like fighting the urge to cut them, honestly. Wow, it's really defining my curls. So impressed right now. So now I have to wait until I wash it off to see if the moisture stays, because my hair feels so amazing right now with the deep conditioner on. See that? My hair is so moisturized compared to this side. I'm so impressed. Okay, so I have the deep conditioner all in my hair, and my hair feels literally so moisturized right now. So I'm going to be leaving this in for maybe 15 to 30 minutes depending on how I feel. It'll probably be more closer to 30 minutes. And right now I can tell you that it's going to be super moisturizing because it is defining my curls and it even is elongating them. But I really do not like the scent. The scent is really strong. So I will be back when this is rinsed out. And I am back from rinsing out the deep conditioner, and I ended up leaving the deep conditioner in for an hour and a half, and I left it in for a little bit longer because I really wanted to see the benefits of this mask. I wanted to see if it helped with the moisture of my hair, moisturizing it. So I just rinsed out the deep conditioner. I did not look at my hair, and I just have it in a cotton t-shirt. So I'm going to see how my hair looks. Hopefully it looks good. I have no idea how my hair looks. Is super moisturized. Hair feels so moisturized, honestly. It does not look dry. There's some frizzy pieces, but it's mainly because I don't have a styling product in it. The smell is very overpowering. I do not like the smell. Like, that's the only thing I do not like about this product. Like, it's actually giving me a headache, and it does leave that scent in your hair. So be aware of that if you're sensitive to fragrances, because I'm very sensitive to fragrances. So I like products that don't have like a super like artificial fragrance, and this is just super artificial, like a lemon scent. Overall, I would rate this mask an 8 out of 10, mainly because of the fragrance. It's very overpowering, and it moisturizes my hair. My hair feels very soft and moisturized, and I have no product in my hair right now. I just rinsed out the mask, and I feel like I have a lot of body and movement. That was all. I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my social media. Peace and blessings.